Hey everyone, I hope you're doing all well right now. Thank you once again for tuning into my channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like this video and hit that red subscribe button. Really does help out the channel a lot, so your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Now, if we are looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $965.7 billion. And the BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 38%. Looking at the overall markets today, guys, especially the last 24 hours, you guys can see majority of the market is in red right now. So something not too exciting happening within the markets right now, but it's not coming as a surprise at all because BTC did take a little bit of a hit today, obviously causing the entire markets to follow. So that's something to keep in mind right now. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that we absolutely love on our channel, and that is none other than Vechain. All right, before I begin, guys, I just want to say thanks to each and every one of my supporters, my Vechain family that, has been showing so much support on my Vechain videos. You guys are enjoying it and you guys are leaving such great feedback. So, continue leaving this feedback, liking these videos, commenting down below really does motivate me to keep on continually, updating you guys on Vechain. If we are looking at the Vechain price right now, you guys can see in the last 24 hours, we are down 0.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Price is currently trading at that 0.023 cents mark. Not much has changed. Current rank is at that top 35th spot. With BTC comparative, it is up 0.5%, but overall, not much has changed. And also, if we are looking at the market cap, it is still holding very, very strong at that $1.65 billion. So that's one thing I want to point out for you guys. But the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 53.5 million. So the overall buying pressure is not as high right now as we would like to see so for Vechain. So that's what I want to point out for you guys. But if we are zooming down and looking at what's happening within the price range, not much has been happening in the last 14 days. It is up 1.8%, but that is about it. But before we jump into the charts and see, are we possibly going to see Vechain retraced right now? Where could we be going in the immediate short term? Like I said, I'm bringing you guys daily updates on Vechain from now on. I just want to share something for my Vechain supporters. And if this is something you guys want to take place in, just wanted to point out for you guys. So Vechain Foundation posted this on their Twitter, calling VFAM new and old in the Middle East, North Africa region. So if you're from the Middle East or North Africa region, Sunny Liu is going to be joining the Binance MENA team tomorrow at 16 UTC for an AMA in the Binance MENA Telegram channel, which will be in the link below. So the top prizes are 2 tickets to the UFC 280 Abu Dhabi, meeting some of the Vechain team, plus Vechain prizes. So if this is some of the region that you guys are located in, make sure to take part. And really, if you don't even win, it's just really goes to show that you are taking part of this community, because we're all coming together to build this community and really take this project to the absolute moon. And maybe you can network and get to know some of these team members as well. So that's something definitely nice to take part in. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff, the price, what exactly is going on, and where could we be going in the immediate short term. So as you guys can see, daily time frame loaded up for you guys once again, and now you may be coming and saying, Crypto ZX, what is this? Like, what is this? Not much has happened once again. Yeah, definitely not much has happened, but this is still in consolidation phase for Vechain. We're still seeing more and more consolidation happening with Vechain. To be exact, we have seen the Vechain in consolidation since May 11th of this year. And, for what I think is that Vechain has built up a very, very strong level of support around these marks. And, for it to go really below these levels now, it would require BTC to take a massive, massive hit. And massive hit, I would mean, like, what I mean by it's like, if we break below this zone, the zone that I've been talking about for quite some time, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level zone, which has been playing as a major level of support over the past few months now. We did see BTC break below the 78.6 zone 2 times, but both 2 times it bounced back up, and this really shows the amount of support there is for these levels. But if we break below this $18,120 mark, I believe we are going to see more downwards trend, and $15,000 BTC is definitely in the books then. And right now, BTC is in very, very danger zone. I've been saying this for quite some time for you guys. I do not get excited, and I do not believe that BTC is in a clear zone until 22K mark. I'm very clear on that, and I will keep saying that until we do go above that. And right now, BTC is not in the safe zone. So what does this mean for VeChain? So obviously, if VeChain, obviously if BTC were to take one of those hits, we could see VeChain go below 2 cents once again, but that would require, like I said, a major drop in BTC price. And am I worried over that? That's what I'd like to teach all my viewers. Do I get worried when I do see more downwards momentum? You could be coming in saying, hey, I've been accumulating over the past few months around these price levels for VeChain, if it goes down, I'm worried. But yeah, that's why you do not want to be throwing in your life savings. But me personally, again, this is just me personally, I do not get worried because I believe in this project's vision. I've been saying this for quite some time. VeChain has a real working product. Not only that, they are partnering with some of the biggest companies around the world, and they're really taking blockchain space to the masses, and that's their main goal. And I've been seeing this happen over and over again. Forget about the price. We are clearly in a bear cycle, guys. Forget about the price. Just look at, is VeChain really innovating, or they're lagging behind with the price right now? If they're lagging behind, then we could understand why people are saying, oh, VeChain is this, VeChain is that, etc., creating FUD. But the project is building, continuously building, partnering with big organizations, and the time is going to come. And my VeChain supporters, like the day one supporters, know exactly what I'm talking about. We're all on the same page. It does require patience. We're not going to make it all overnight. Unfortunately, that's just not the case. I wish it was, because if that was the case, every single VeChain holder, along with cryptocurrency holder, would be driving Lamborghinis and everyone would be rich. That's just not the case. Some people get wiped out. Some people get extremely rich. And the ones that do get extremely rich are the ones that are dollar cost averaging in around the bear cycles, when there's a lot of red across the board, a lot of uncertainty, and not just dollar cost averaging in any coin, dollar cost averaging in projects that they have done their due diligence and research and that they believe are going to shape the cryptocurrency space, are going to be the people that are going to make it. Look at Matic, for example. Matic was literally below a penny, way below a penny when it came out on Binance, Launchpad IEO. And at that time, I had so much Matic tokens, like you guys would not believe it. And guess what? I kick myself to this day. Matic hit $3 last bull cycle, so last year. And I could have been a multi-millionaire. But guess what? I had no patience, and I sold way too early. And I'm never making that mistake again. But I've been in these markets for quite some years, and I've learned so many things, and I just don't want my supporters making those same mistakes. If you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, patience is going to be your number one key to follow. And VeChain, I'm very optimistic, is going to hit $1 at least next bull cycle. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see the price of VeChain go. Obviously, my target still is at this 3.4 cents resistance mark. Once we break out of here, then we could talk about what other price we want VeChain to hit. But right now, that is the target that is on the table that I want it to reach. But obviously, if BTC sees a little bit of retracement, we could see more downwards momentum occur for VeChain. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys are doing right now, where you can see the price of VeChain go at the end of October. And that is it for today's update. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto Z.